Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. So, today's video is going to be a little bit different and honestly kinda funny. Usually when people review food it's fresh, hot and looks super delicious, right? But today I'm reviewing risol mayo that is already cold. Yep, not warm, not crispy, fresh, just sitting here waiting to be judged. I don't know if this is going to be good or disappointing, but let's find out together. Before I try it, let me tell you a little bit about this risotto. I actually bought this earlier, maybe a few hours ago. At the time, it was warm and smelled really good, but I got busy and forgot to eat it, and now here we are. Okay, let's take a closer look. From the outside, it still looks pretty nice. The color is golden brown, which is what we expect from a good result, but if I look closely, it doesn't look as crispy anymore. The surface looks a bit soft, maybe slightly oily too. Let me touch it. Yeah, it's definitely not crunchy, it feels soft and a little bit soggy. That's already a sign that the texture has changed a lot because it's not fresh anymore. But hey, sometimes food still tastes good even when it's cold, right? So let's not judge too quickly. Alright, moment of truth. I'm going to take the first bit. Spice. Okay, first impression, the texture is very different. The skin is no longer crispy at all. Instead, it's kinda chewy. Not too bad, but also not what I usually expect from risotto. Now, let's talk about the filling. Inside, I can see the mayo, some sliced meat, and maybe a bit of egg. The flavor is still there, actually. The mayo is creamy and slightly tangy, which I really like. It gives that signature risol mayo taste that people love. But because it's cold, the mayo feels thicker and heavier. When it's warm, the mayo usually feels more melted and smooth, but now it's kinda dense. If that makes sense, let me take another bite just to be sure. Yeah, the taste is still good, but the overall experience is not as exciting. I think the biggest problem here is the texture. Fried food like this really depends on that crispy outside. Without it, it feels a bit flat. Also, when it's cold, the oil from the frying becomes more noticeable. It leaves a slightly greasy feeling in my mouth. Not terrible, but definitely less enjoyable compared to when it's hot. Okay, let me read a few things. For appearance, I'd give it maybe a 7 out of 10. It still looks decent, just not super appetizing. For texture, maybe a 5 out of 10 because the crispiness is basically gone. For taste, I'll give it a 7 out of 10. The flavor is still good, especially the filling. But for overall experience, I think I'll give it a 6 out of 10. So yeah, still edible, still tasty, but definitely not its best. Honestly, this makes me really something. Risol mayo is one of those foods that should be eaten fresh. Timing is very important. If you wait too long, the quality drops a lot, especially the texture. If I had to compare, fresh hot risol mayo, crispy outside, creamy inside, super satisfying. Cold risol mayo, soft outside, heavier filling, still tasty but less exciting. So yeah, big difference. But I mean, if you are really hungry and this is the only thing you have, you can still enjoy it. It's not bad, just not amazing. Oh, and quite tip, if you ever have leftover risol mayo, maybe you can reheat it, like use an oven or air fryer to bring back some of that crispiness. I think that would make it much better than eating it cold like this. Alright guys, I think that's enough for today's review. Lesson of the day. Don't let your risol mayo sit too long. Eat it while it's hot. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!